Today on Cooking Show at Home, I'll show you how to make 3 different Italian-style dips that are delicious, colorful, and incredibly easy to prepare. Italy is adored for its timeless beauty, romantic landscapes, rich culture, and of course, its unforgettable Mediterranean cuisine. And dips are an important part of Italian food culture, often served as appetizers before the main meal, paired with crusty bread or fresh vegetables. Welcome back to Cooking Show at Home. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. If you enjoy simple, fast recipes inspired by cuisines from around the world, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my work and keeps new recipes coming every week. Alright, let's get started. First, we're making a creamy, whipped feta dip. This one requires no cooking at all, just 5 ingredients in 5 minutes. In a blender, combine 3/4 cup plain whole milk Greek yogurt, about 7 to 8 ounces of feta cheese, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, juice of half a lemon, 2 garlic cloves. Blend until smooth and creamy. Transfer it to a small bowl and garnish with red pepper flakes and a little chopped parsley. Simple, fresh, and so flavorful. Next is a bold and slightly spicy red bell pepper dip. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet and sauté about 6 ounces of roasted red peppers, or fry 1 to 2 fresh peppers for about 7 minutes until soft and lightly charred. Then add 1 teaspoon balsamic vinegar, two minced garlic cloves, crushed black pepper to taste. Cover and cook on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add another teaspoon of balsamic vinegar and some fresh basil and parsley. Blend until smooth and serve. Transfer to a bowl. Garnish with crushed red pepper flakes. And your spicy pepper dip is ready. And finally, the most vibrant one, a sun-dried tomato dip. Start by chopping 1 shallot. 6 cloves of garlic. Heat 3/4 cup olive oil in a saucepan and sauté the shallot and garlic on high heat for about 4 to 5 minutes until the garlic is lightly golden. Then chop 1/4 cup sun-dried tomatoes, 1/4 cup green pitted olives, 2 tablespoons fresh basil and parsley, ½ cup grated Parmesan cheese, mix everything together, add salt to taste, and transfer to a serving bowl. Italian dips are usually served at room temperature in small bowls as part of an appetizer spread. They pair beautifully with crusty bread, crackers, or fresh raw vegetables. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these 3 quick and delicious Italian dips. Let me know in the comments which one you would try first: the creamy feta, the spicy red pepper, or the colorful sun-dried tomato dip. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy international recipes, and I'll see you very soon in the next episode of Cooking Show at Home. Bye-bye!